So what did you tell me about the fireworks?
You have to press buttons, and you've gotta think in your brain to think what you have to do, and you gotta press what button says Raleigh, North Carolina, Wilmington, and then you have to find the word fireworks in Raleigh, North Carolina, Wilmington, and then it will understand. You have to say it loud because it won't hear you. So that will on. And then you gotta roll it, and then you gotta do this to get the bottom, and then I will find it, and then if the arrows on it will watch.
Okay.
So
what will we watch?
We watch the fireworks. That's at the end. We'll watch and we'll see that the fireworks do this at the end. Boom, 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 boom.
What do they do on the ground?
They shoot out, and then the paper turns into colors, and the paper is in the bottom, and it's white, and then when it gets out, it gets into pretty colors.
Oh, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Purple.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for telling me.
That's the end.
Okay.
Can I watch it?
Mm-hmm.